A common question we get at The Powerful Man is when a guy says, hey, look, I don't know if this marriage is even going to work out, so why should I even invest my time in it? And I completely get it. Hey, my name is Doug Holt, and I'm with The Powerful Man, where we help married business owners just like you save their marriage without having to talk about it, while also getting unstuck and getting clear on what to do next. Now, this question, which I understand completely as a business guy, is analogous to someone saying, hey, look, I'm out of shape and I want to lose weight, but I don't know if the gym's really going to work out, or I don't know if eating healthy is going to work out, so I'm not going to do any of it anyway. And they sit on their couch and eat potato chips and drink beer. Right? We know that that's not going to be beneficial. Doing nothing doesn't work. We know that for a fact. So now it's time to change. I think it was Albert Einstein that said, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. I can tell you, thousands of men have been through our program and have turned their relationships completely around. But don't just take my word for it. Go over to thepowerfulman.com and click on the results page, and you'll see for yourself.